Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have some cabinet knobs, and I will show you what they look like here. They come packaged very well. If I can open it. There we go. Okay, so these ones here are a brass, and they've got some weight to them. I don't know if you can tell, it's got some weight to it. It's a nice solid one, and it comes with the screws. It comes with some short screws. You can see there, it's got short ones and it's got the long ones, which is cool. So these long ones are super cool because if you have a drawer that is not quite a certain length, you see where it's got those little points in it where it's the smooth points, those you can just take some like wire strippers or something like that and cut them off. So it just screws on and you get a nice looking knob. These knobs are great. These are gonna go on one of my cabinets that I'm building. I'm still in the middle of building it, so it's not quite done yet. But I was going to see if there's somewhere I can show you. I can't really show you right now, but the idea is good, and hopefully you'll see the finished product soon. So very cool, and it comes with a whole set of them, and they are nice and solid, and the box got some good weight to it. So 10 pack of them. I like it. Thumbs up for sure.